for us. I say thank you very much to the MC for giving me time to speak in front of audience. Good morning, everyone. How's life today? I am Miftahul Elsa Ramadhani. I'm from Red Class. In this good occasion, I want to share something about life after high school. Brother and sister, do you feel confused after graduating from senior high school? It feels like exciting in many ways, but we don't know which one we must choose, mustn't we? Sometimes we have negative think about what will we do after this? Can we be successful soon? It's okay to be lost, stressful, and anxiety. However, in this era, we must make the biggest decision in our life for a better future. Every people have their own purpose after graduating from senior high school. Several students want to continue to their college. The others want to apply for a job. Or some of them want to postpone for a while for choosing their passion. My blessing made us grow more, to be mature, and be responsible that every decision that we make. This is my personal experience. After I graduated from senior high school, I feel confused and afraid. Afraid to be mature, afraid to try new experience, afraid to take the opportunity, and afraid to try new things in my life. My blessing didn't make me stuck in comfort zone. Standing in front of you all today, I am learning English and music. This is my biggest decision in my life. Why can I say this? Because I left my parents and my family in my hometown. In this class, I take a new risk, journey, experience, and new opportunity. In this class, I learn about many things, such as I learn about friendship, even touch. I'm far enough with my family because in here, so many people care and encourage me. Thanks to God for this wonderful experience in my life. Brother and sister, today I want to remind you the keys to achieve success are consistent, passion, keep learning, and keep growing. Because every step small will guide you to achieve your goal. Okay, listen carefully and repeat after me. The keys to achieve
Keys of it.
success are consistent,
passion,
keep learning,
keep learning,
and keep growing.
and keep growing.
Because
Because
every step small
every step
will be
will be